Alrighty, folks, the dual battery charger. Here it is. Ready? Nice. The box. The directions. Very simple to follow. More directions and best tips. The book. The battery charger. Not one, but two batteries. And of course, ooh, here's a new change. C to C for your charger. All right, go over here, tear the paper, toss it over there. GoPro, a little longer. Definitely, very cool. You see how the prongs are different. Here's the old battery. Here's the new battery. Very comparable in size. They just went and did the old switcheroo right there. You see pretty much same width. Almost the same length. But they did shorten it a little. Everything else is good to go. Like I said, I'm going to get a silver marker. Put my number on there. So I always know it goes in the right direction. So you can't use these batteries in this. No. Only the new GoPro 13 will take these new batteries. Look inside. You're going to see it's facing a specific way. And it goes all the way in there. Hope they don't swell. Next battery. Same. Swelling is the only bad thing I see. Now, that did light up. And an eject would be nice, because you always got to pull on these tabs. Now, let's do this one more time. You see that lights up? Alright. When I juice her up, I'll show you at another time, because I didn't plan that far ahead. But this is how we learn. But so far, this is what you get. Your two batteries, your charger, and your cord. Again, this battery will no longer work for your GoPro 13. Only your GoPro 9, only your GoPro 9 through 11 will this battery continue to work. Alright, my friends, so check it out. Get rid of your garbage. The new charger with battery. And the charge cord.